Bub. Good morning. I know. I don't want to get up either. Bub doesn't want to get up. We have to get up, Zoe. I will turn on all the lights in the house. Morning, plants. Hey, good morning, everyone. Do you guys see this? This magic, this piece of art. Well, this is what I'm gonna go watch today. Now, I thought I would give you guys 3 good reasons why you should go watch this movie. Number 1, Margot Robbie. Margot Robbie. Number 2, it's such a feminist movie. Girl power. You know what I mean? Number 3, popcorn. Never pass popcorn. Movie theater popcorn is 10 times better than homemade popcorn. I don't know what they put in it, but it tastes so good. I have a science project that I have to do that involves jars and carrots and potatoes. I know. And also, I do want to make cookies. Because again, never pass the opportunity to make cookies. Let's go start the day. Loving this really weird breakfast situation. I put toast and then have like some cream cheese or like Philadelphia cream cheese, and I put a lot of tomatoes and I make this like balsamic reduction and put it on top. Come on, let's go, let's go. Welcome to my kitchen. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Okay, I am doing my lab experiment currently. Just finished my experiment. I want to make some cookies, so we're gonna go buy some ingredients that I need from this like mini grocery store that's like literally like 2 blocks away. So let's go. I cannot find chocolate chip cookies or chocolate chips. Where are chocolate chips? Okay, so I'm currently writing in my book, in my notebook, on the ingredients for the stuffed cookies. Let's go. So I went out to get some ingredients for the cookies, and I was wearing these pants that have like a kind of, and if you are not familiar, when you wear these kind of pants with your abaya, they stick. So you need to spray this kind of like anti-static little bottle thing. It's really famous in Saudi Arabia, but basically I went out and I didn't spray any of that, and it stuck to my abaya so bad. It was so embarrassing, so I had to get myself out there really quick. I couldn't even vlog, you know. These are the cookies. They look so good. Let's head to the kitchen. They look good. Y'all, taste test. Looks like this. So good. We have another batch baking in the oven. Like, what if I opened my own bakery? Y'all into that? Comment below. I had so much cookies and I feel so sick.
Every time I real
the next day. The movie, I really loved it. It's like an overall fun movie to watch. I feel like wish Jared Leto was there, but you know, hey, it's okay. And I will see you in my next one.